What's up, guys? Welcome to another one. Hey, this one's just going to be talking about side hustles. You know, whether you're working a full-time job and you want to add an extra income, and you're wondering if you're going to be able to do it, if you're going to have the time to complete the jobs that you booked, or even be able to book jobs. I'll tell you what, I just got a comment on one of my videos. Not sure what video it was, but new subscriber, and what he was asking me, he or she, I didn't get the name, is being they have a full-time job already, will they be able to fit in a part-time hustle like carpet cleaning and be able to actually succeed at it. And the person told me that the time that they got off was 2:30. So I thought that was funny, because when I started my side hustle, I got off work at 2:30. So I worked Monday through Friday from 6 to 2:30. And what I would do is I would book my jobs after 2:30. So I booked my first job at like 3, depending on where it was, 3 or 3:30. Okay, so I'd have my stuff in my van or in my truck or in my trailer at that time, because I didn't start out with the truck mount. I started out with the portable. So I'd have all my stuff ready to go straight to the job, knock it out. Okay, usually just did one job a day, and honestly, it only started out like 2-3 jobs a week, but 2-3 jobs a week would bring me in an extra $600. So $600 on top of whatever you're making is, it's doubling your income in a way, because I was actually almost doubling your income. So if you're making about $16 an hour, that's doubling your income. So if you just break it down hourly, which I like to do a lot. I know we don't work by the hour, but just to put everything in perspective and keep you motivated, because sometimes when you look at those numbers, so in that situation you would be doubling your income. All of a sudden you go from making $15 an hour to $30 an hour, just by what you take home and the hours you worked, really. Okay, so an average job only takes about an hour and a half. Say average job, hour and a half. So in that hour and a half, you can earn average about $200. So it all depends on where you're located. You got to check your pricing in your area and stuff like that. But in my course, I talk about all of that, how to price your services competitive in your area. Every area is different. Know what to price, so you're not biker almost ran around in front of me. Working too hard. What I mean by working too hard, you're not pricing yourself too low, where you're doing a whole bunch of really small jobs instead of a nice medium size or large job, one job. So anyway, my point is, if you're working a full-time job and you want to get into the carpet cleaning business and start out exactly how I did, as a side hustle, and turn it into a full-time thing, then absolutely you can do that, especially if you're getting off between 2:30 and 3:30. Okay, and summer hours and stuff like that really make a big difference where I'm from, and probably everywhere, I guess. We do have daylight savings here, so we get a little bit more daylight, so it actually don't get dark till about 8:30. So you imagine I can actually do 2 jobs after 2:30 if I wanted to. So don't push yourself too hard from the beginning. If you're just got your equipment, you're ready to do some work, book yourself 1 job after work. Don't book yourself 2 jobs after work. Just start booking 1 job after work, and maybe on the weekend book 2. That way you can just get used to the process, get comfortable with the process, get more productive with the process, and pretty soon you're going to be full-time and loving it just like me. All right, well, that's it for this one. We'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Hey, you want to do a ride along? Why not? Hey, we're at the first job of the day, local business, and we're doing commercial carpet. Actually, we're doing hot water extraction on this today because a lot of oil and grease. We're gonna go ahead and use a Sager's Code Red, and right now we just pre-sprayed the upstairs, getting ready to agitate, and we're gonna run our hoses. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it, and if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. It's grease, oil, whatnot. So we're pre-sprayed already, going through with the Manco and pre-spray and everything. This was the second worst room, and I mean, just by pre-spraying and pre-scrubbing, that's great. There were spots all through here. So that, you know, guys, if you're getting into the business, I use carpet details 90% of the time. Well, there's times where you need something that cuts grease, and it's more for really restoral type of cleaning. So then you need to get something with a high pH and that cuts grease, and you can use in restaurants or really bad residentials. And Sager's Code Red's my go-to when it comes to that. Note that. Yeah, magic eraser. Different areas over there we're going to have to hit again and make sure it's not removable. Hit that with the pre-spray and then agitate it again. If it doesn't go nowhere, worn fiber. So there's some areas over there. Just right, start, put the pre-spray and do a little agitation over it and see if you can't get it to lighten up. don't got a swivel on. Good investment, I believe. So we sprayed up to here and pre-scrubbed, and you can tell the difference already. Almost looks clean over here already. Over here, gotta continue spraying here. That's great. You already sprayed this one here?
I sprayed it, scrub it a little bit. I want to spray it, it's pretty good. We'll see how it works.
Ooh. There might be some coffee or something.